Welcome to Northern Luzon Adventist College, the school that prepares for life. Today, we will explore how Universal Design for Learning, or UDL, creates an inclusive classroom environment for all students, including those with disabilities. Inclusive education is essential for fostering a sense of belongingness and ensuring that every student has the opportunity to learn and thrive. Let's take a moment to understand the 5 disabilities we will focus on today.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning po, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Nay. Ano pong condition ng inyong pong anak?
My daughter has a learning disability that impacts her writing abilities, and she needs tools, speech-to-text software, graphic organizer, and extra time for writing assignments.
Inyong pong anak?
My son's condition has affecting his vision from partial sight to complete blindness. He may require materials in braille or large print and may benefit from assistive technologies like screen readers.
My son has a disorder that affects reading and language processing. He struggles with decoding words and requires specialized reading strategies, such as phonics-based instruction and additional time for reading tasks.
My daughter, you see, she's deaf or hard of hearing. May use sign language, lip reading, or assistive listening devices. And when she's in the classroom, they should be equipped with visual aids and ensure the clear communication between the teacher and the student.
Well, my daughter has this condition that affects attention, impulse control, and activity levels. My daughter may benefit from structured routines, clear instructions, and opportunities for movement to help maintain focus.
Today, we will demonstrate a UDL lesson based on the story of the Good Samaritan for grade 4 class. This lesson incorporates various strategies to support all learners.
At Northern Luzon Adventist College, we believe in the power of inclusive education. By implementing Universal Design for Learning, we ensure that every student has the opportunity to succeed. Come and join us today to see the beauty of Universal Design for Learning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Great. Today, we have to explore a wonderful story called The Good Samaritan. Nakikita niyo ba yung ating PowerPoint?
Yes.
How about our thinkbook?
Yes.
To get us excited about our lesson today, let us have a quick activity.
Ano pong activity nga?
Okay, so you have to find your partner by twos and discuss to your partner if you have experience in helping others or someone help you. Okay ba?
Yes.
Okay, after that. Okay, I will give you some minutes. O, partner kayo ni...
No.
Partner ni Tina. Ikaw Tina. O, partner tayo. Okay, class, find your comfortable seat now.
Doon tayo.
Okay, siya tayo ang partner. Okay, so who would like to share their story with the class? Raise your hand if you want to share. Okay, si Sia. Si Sia ang mauna.
I help my mama when I help her cook.
Okay, very good. Let's give a hand for Sia. Sia. Who else? Okay. Stand up. Lisa.
Nag-help ako kay mama ko nung nag-carry ko yung bag niya.
Oh, very good. You can relay your bag. Let's give a hand again. Who else?
Teacher,
Okay, Pinay, stand up.
nag-help po ako kay mami nung nagsisleep po ako sa house.
Wow, very good. Let's give a hand for Pinay. Sino pa? Okay, na gusto mo na sa inyo ni Ray. Okay, ikaw. Coco.
Ako po, tinulungan ko yung mama ko magluto.
Wow, very good. Okay, last. Ray.
You know, may matanda na tumawid sa daan.
Wow, very good. Sino? Okay, everybody. Let's read our learning objectives in 1, 2, 3. Read. Okay, so today we're going to learn some new vocabularies and we will read the story of the Good Samaritan and we will apply it into our life. Okay, so ngayon babasahin niyo yung The Good Samaritan and then magre-reflect kayo kung ano yung naintindihan niyo dun sa story, sa inyong preferred expression. And now, I want you to pay attention to our key elements. Character, setting, moral, and conflict. So, sa setting, yun yung lugar na pinangyarihan ng specific na pangyayari. At yung character naman, ito yung mga main character ng story. So, sa moral naman, ito yung makukuha natin after the story. So, nag-gets nyo ba?
Yes.
Yes po!
Ano po yung conflict, ma'am?
Ang conflict ay ang problem of the story.
Thank you po, ma'am.
A certain man went down from Jerusalem to Jericho and fell among thieves, which stripped him of his raiment and wounded him, departed, leaving him half dead. And by chance there came down a certain priest that way, and when he saw him, he passed by on the other side. And likewise, a Levite, when he was at the place, came and looked on him, and when he saw him, he passed by on the other side. But a certain Samaritan, as he journeyed, yes? Samaritan? Okay, Samaritan, we will discuss it later.
Ma'am, who's that man?
This man is a good Samaritan. So later we will discuss it further. As he journeyed, came where he was, and when he saw him, he had compassion on him. And went to him, and bound up his wounds, and set him on his own beast, and brought him to an inn, and took care of him.
Ano po yung in, teacher? Yung in po ba yung parang in the box, yung gano'n, yung in the box? In the
Okay, we will answer that later. And on the morrow, when he departed, he took out 2 pence, and gave them to the host, and said unto him, Take care of him, and whatsoever thou spendest, when I will come again and repay thee.
End of the picture?
Doon nagtatapos ang ating story. Okay, class, may you my story? Okay, so now let's identify the key elements together. Okay, Tina, can you read the first question?
Where is the
Teacher! Read mo na siya, tuloy mo na. Babasahin ni Tina yung question. Okay, stand up, Tina.
Where did the story happen? In the mountains, teacher.
Okay, very good, Tina. Palakpakan naman natin si Tina. Okay, Zia, can you read the second question?
Who were the characters mentioned from the story? Si Juan, si Samaritan, yung tumutulong, yung tinulungan,
Oh, si Samaritan. Okay, very good. Palakpakan natin si Zia.
Yung mga kids po.
Wow, yung mga kids. Very good, Risa. Palakpakan naman natin si Risa. And now, ikaw naman po. Basahin mo naman yung third question.
What kind of problem did the man face? I don't know.
Oh, who wants to help mo? Okay, Risa.
Di ba po yung kinakawan siya sa mga kids? Tapos nilulog siya.
Oh, very good si Risa. Palakpakan natin si Risa. At ngayon, let's proceed naman sa fourth question. Kindly read, T9.
What are the lessons from the story?
What are the lessons from the story? Okay, Bon, ikaw naman ang sumagot ngayon. Kindly stand up. Oh, mamaya na. Mamaya na. Start mo muna yan. Pakinggan muna natin si Bon. Oh, ano yung answer ni Bon?
Wag po manakit ng tao.
Very good. Ang malakit ng tao. Palakpakan natin si Bon. Sino pa?
Yung kanya, yung tutulungan mo yung tao. Tutulungan mo siya, yung tao.
Tutulong ka sa tao. Tumutulong ba si Sia sa tao?
Ma'am, wag magnakaw.
Always talk to others.
Always help others. Very good naman ni Sia. How about si Tinan?
Mabait, teacher.
Oh, maging mabait. Mabait ba kayo lahat? Mamaya, pinag-ibig mo kayo dahil dyan. Palakpakan niyo ang inyong mga sarili. Ang free class. Okay, so kayo yung nasa sitwasyon. Tutulong pa kayo sa inyong mga kaklase?
Hindi na!
Tutulong daw sila sa kanilang mga klase. Ngayon naman, panoorin naman natin ang pangalawang video.
₱200 kay Nene.
Ay, paano ba yan? Sir, kulang po kasi yung
Ano ba yan? Pera yan?
Kailangan ko lang kasi yung
Pwede.
ang mahal ko po kasi yung ating
Kailangan ma-fully paid to bago mo makuha. Natatapos na ba yan?
Hindi ko yung pag-ibilis.
Kulang pa po kasi yung...
Next!
Ito na lang, pangdagdag.
Pag-abilisan naman, oh.
Pakabuti
Ano
niyo
na,
naman.
kanina hindi dito.
Ito pa, may pangdagdagsan. Salamat po. Ito po, sir. Sakto na po.
Ito yung next.
Thank you po.
Sa wakas na kausap ko. Next!
Ayan, nakita niyo ba yung video? Sino ba ang lalaki? Kung kayo yung nasa sitwasyon, tutulong din ba kayo? May last money nyo, ay dapat ulit pera na yun. Ibibigay niyo pa rin ba? Bibili ko na lang po siya. Bibili yung lollipop. So, sino yung tutulong? Alam ko, ibibigay daw dito ako yung kanya.
Bigyan na lang po siguro ako kay Mami tapos ibigay ko sa kanila pag wala na.
Wow, very good naman!
Hindi ko tumulong, no? Si Mami mo.
Wala na ako pabili ko ulit ah.
Very good. Yay!
So now, let's have the discussion. So this is the procedure. Ang gagawin nyo, number 1, think about what are the things you should do when you saw people being treated like that. Ang pangalawa, find a partner. So, hahanap kayo ngayon ng partner nyo. Ang gagawin nyo, i-share nyo kung ano yung inyong mga thoughts doon sa isa't isa. Discuss it together in front of your classmates. So, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng 5 minutes para gawin ang inyong activity. Ready na ba kayo?
Yes!
Tumutulong ka? Nanay mo? Ako. Tumutulong ka ng luto?
Okay, okay. Tapos na ba kayo? Yes, Class, for our last activity, ay magkakaroon kayo ng creation ng inyong story na naka-include sa story ng The Good Samaritan. Pwede kayong mag-drawing or kung ano yung inyong preference, pwede kayong magsulat. Ready na ba kayo? Yes, teacher! Okay, bibig na ba kayo sa inyong activity? Present naman ang inyong activity individually. Siyempre, mauna si Tinay.
Mama, ito po aking art na kamay. Kasi we always love each other.
Wow!